SOUTHPORT, and a welcome return from the Royal Air Force of this amazing formation, Anarchy 1, the Typhoon, with the Spitfire from the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. And just a really, really outstanding tribute to the fighter pilots of that amazing, what a generation from 1940 right the way through to 2022.
Oh my God.
SOUTHPORT, you are getting such a treat today, and a phenomenal combat air platform indeed. A fully swing roll combat platform for so many different roles. Let's enjoy now as they run in for the break. Outstanding. Certainly take the break. Well, you don't get a chance to say much to here at Adam now is just going to give us a real roller coaster ride of this fantastic thing. Coming out of a 9G turn there, leaving the reheat in, which you can see time and time again. Coming now for a pull-up, coming back. Chance to see the fighter flag delivering at any time by a long-standing supporter and enthusiast of the team, Adam. He's also responsible for his most famous being GNA, the Battle of Britain 75th anniversary. Like not very comfortable at all. Blood rushing to his head during the negative parts of that particular manoeuvre. But don't worry, he's got so many abilities on board to assist him throughout the entire process of this. Now, this outside turn here, you can imagine, really comes out of that, snaps the aircraft to convert negative into positive, pushing it, and then putting it up to 9G, staggering 12G change of pressure inside the cockpit and throughout his body. Coming back now, he's go through a 1,260 degree roll and then inverted into a half Cuban. Here the rolls coming. Just a slight change in his routine this time, however, putting the power back on, coming into a bit of high speed, and now he's trying high speed barrel roll. Really explosive acceleration going to that. Adam working hard to counter the G whilst looking to bleed off the speed, decelerating the jet now. This time repositioning for a slow speed loop. Brought the jet right back to just 120 knots. Almost seems to have come to a standstill compared to this, with a high angle of attack, high alpha as he said, holding the nose right up, stick back in his chest. Continuing with the rolling, missing out the, no, here we go, into the high maneuver. Machine capable of brakes off to 35,000 feet in just, well, up to speed Mach 1.5 in just 2.5 minutes. Brakes off to liftoff in just 8 seconds. The sound and thrust of those amazing 2 Eurojet EJ200 engines there, giving a total output of 40,000 pounds. Saw it there. There is a speed limit sadly around the United Kingdom of just 600 miles an hour. That's just, of course, to stop anything going supersonic. This aircraft, though, capable of Mach 2, that's around 1,500. Against some of the vintage jets, just what a small piece of airspace this jet needs to do those manoeuvres in. Really, really agile. And was luckily and the tactical weapons course on the Hawk T1 before then being selected to Typhoon. Hosted initially for 3 fighter squadron.
SOUTHPORT, please put your hands together for the 2022 Royal Air Force Air Battle Team, the Red Arrows. Red One forward using approximately 4G and at over 400 miles an hour as the team collapsed to the 7 arrow shape. As Red One is pulling up, that would indicate to start off with we are going for a full show. As the team slow down to approximately 150 miles per hour at over 5,500 feet. Get your cameras ready for the 7 arrow roll. As the team rolls to the right hand side, closest in is Red 2's Flight Lieutenant Stu Roberts. Stu's in his first year on the team, having previously flown Typhoon with 11 and 12 squadrons at RAF Coningsby. In tribute to RAF Scampton, its squadron and its history, this is Lightning. On the far right hand side is Red 4 squadron leader John Bond, known as Bundy. Bundy is in his 5th year on the team, having previously been the synchro lead in 2021. He has previously flown the Typhoon operationally and is also a former qualified flying instructor on the Tucano and was also the Tucano. As the team rolls to the left, you can see the iconic shape of the Hawk aircraft. The Hawk has been in service with the Royal Air Force since 1976. With a shape that represents the lunar landing craft of the early 60s missions, this is Apollo. The team has now moved with Red 6 and 7, moves up alongside 2 and 3 with Reds 4 and 5 in trail. The aboard call is called as Reds 4 and 5 roll around the smoke of the rest of the formation. Red 1 brings the formation around to the right and the red and blue is smoked on by Reds 4 and 5. Approaching Red is Flight Lieutenant Dave Turner, Red 5. In the tribute to her Platinum Jubilee, this is the Jubilee Presents. They will pull up to approximately 1,500 feet before diving back down to the display line at 100 feet with a closing speed of over 700 miles per hour. They will perform a series of barrel rolls in the double rolls. As they bend round to the right, this is the helix. Bend round to the right, this is the helix. Once again, about 100 feet and over 700 miles closing speed, they will form a series of passes pulling up to 5G in the carousel. Each aircraft now pulling up to 5G, that means everything about them now is weighing almost 5 times heavier than what you and I are as we stand on our beach now. Once again, Red 7 pulling hard to come around to make that full pass from Red 6 coming in from the left. Reds 4 and 5 smoke blue and do the same in one of the hardest manoeuvres for new pilots to master each year. This is the rollback. Red 7 is Flight Lieutenant James Turner, known as JT. He's on his 3rd year on the team, having previously been a fully qualified instructor on the Typhoon. Looking for Enid to our right. They have formed an important thing as they line up for the double deuce.
Double right now.
smoke and 1 minute of red smoke. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2022 Red Arrows!